You weren't honest
Not at
originally.
first, I wasn't. I know. I should have been.
Stay there for me. Watch her. She dumped meth in the garage.
For today's video, officers were on patrol in a neighborhood known for narcotics activity. The officers also had a list of people who were wanted for felony warrants. This may come to a surprise to some of you, but people who have warrants often hang around houses that are known for narcotics activity, and this video is no exception.
Truck's gone.
In the yard. You can see the tag now. Oh, there's people coming out.
I thought the red one was gone.
They stopped. One of them stopped. Is that our 50A? Or the other one I think went behind this garage. You want to see if they're back there?
K1.
She's hiding right there. You can see her. Open the door!
I live here, sweetheart.
You do?
Yeah, I live here, baby.
Alright, then why are you hiding in the garage?
I was picking my stuff up in here.
You're lying. Come out here now.
I promise you, that's all I was doing, baby.
Don't call me baby.
I'm sorry.
This your house?
Yes, honey.
Sit on the front of the bumper.
Yeah, I sit in my boyfriend.
What's your name?
Amanda.
Amanda what?
Amanda.
Amanda.
Yes, sir.
You have warrants, Amanda?
No. Not that I'm aware of. I just got out of Lincoln County.
Well, you saw us turn the corner, so why would you go in the garage?
I was getting ready to come back out here. I really was, honey. Because I ain't lying to you. I seen you around.
Who was your friend that left?
She's one of the in and outs.
What's her name? First name?
You know, I'm not really sure she wasn't here with me, baby. She really wasn't here with me, honey. Promise you. Like, my sister's right down there in the alley.
I thought you lived here.
I do. I'm waiting on my sister. Come up here.
193.
Good.
48A in the rear of 737 South Ogden.
I'm not lying to you.
Is that your truck?
No, baby. It's not.
What that one?
I don't drive, honey.
What's your name?
I mean, it doesn't have one.
What's your social?
I just got out of Lincoln County, honey.
What's your date of birth?
1911.
How old are you?
I'm 42.
What'd you get out for?
How do you spell your last name?
N-E-G-L-I-N. I mean, it was an old one that I had.
What was it for?
Direct to here and something else.
What'd
Out
you
of
show it
what?
up here for, though?
I'm recording it, honey.
I know
It
that.
was on a,
What was the charge? Come on now. You went to court for it, you got arrested, you know what it's for. I don't care if it's drugs.
I want to say aggravated drug possession, but I'm not 100%
Okay,
sure.
there you
honey.
go.
So you're saying you live here, you get mail here, this is your house?
I don't get mail here, honey. I stay here. I'm homeless.
Okay.
Like, I just lost my husband.
So you hang out in the basement here?
No, not in the basement.
Oh, you have a room.
No, honey, I just stay here, like, in and out. warrant? For what? I'm just saying from where?
Your name is Blevins?
Yeah, Blevins, Medlin's my married name.
Okay.
But what do I have a warrant for? Because I just got out on Lincoln County.
Of Lincoln County?
Yes, honey, I was trying to swear I could tell you my
What's Lincoln
paperwork.
County?
Licking?
Kathy! Kathy! Yes, out of Lincoln County. She's got my paperwork with her. I just got out. Oh, God. I just got out, honey. I promise you, I just got out. Can you guys see my paperwork?
I'll sort it all in a second. It's just showing you have a warrant, so I'm going to verify it and I'll do all
Yes,
that.
honey, I just got out. I just
Here's your chance to be honest. Do you have anything on you?
No, ma'am.
Stop
Put
turning.
it in the garage there.
No, I didn't get a chance to get anything else from you guys. So keep it on.
You were leaving. You weren't going to it, but you already haven't been honest, so just cut the
I'm
bullshit.
being honest with you, I promise. I'm being honest.
Well, I'm going to go look in the
I thought I had
garage,
my
so
money, honey. That's fine.
if you dump something, now you're going to get a tampering, which is an F3, so you better start being honest.
Yes, honey.
What is it? Is it in a bag?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, well, that doesn't give you a right to lie to police.
You're right, it doesn't. Not at all. It
Is there anything left on you?
doesn't. No, ma'am. Kathy! Kathy! I need my papers. I need my papers. They're saying I have a warrant. I don't know. I'm just saying, you know I just got out. You know I just got out.
Just stay over there for me for right now, okay?
I got a warrant. What did you do though? I don't know.
She left this house and then tried to hide in the garage.
I know.
Step over here. You're going to sit in the cruiser for
I was
now.
honest with them. I tried to tell you. I know, but I was honest with her.
You weren't honest
Not at
originally.
first, I wasn't. I know. I should have been.
Stay there for me.
You have a warrant.
Watch her. She dumped meth in the garage. What's up?
Is she going to jail tonight?
I'm not the one that's doing her warrant, but it sounds like probably.
I was finally honest. I wasn't even kidding you. I'll tell you one thing.
What is it local or out of?
Fairfield County. I'm trying to verify her through OLEG and yeah, I got it. If you got a good felony warrant, I can't do anything about it, but we're verifying it now.
And maybe with the drugs. I don't know yet. We'll have to talk.
9-4 to leave the list. 9-4, stand by, you're on the list.
We can probably work with you on the drugs, but I'm not going to lie to you, I can't do anything about the... If you got a warrant, you have a warrant.
Please, honey, don't take me to my son's shovels in the morning. Please. I'll give you anything you want. Please don't take me to jail tonight.
Listen, there's two options. You go to jail tonight on your warrant, or you go to jail tonight on your warrant and possession of drugs and tampering. Those are the only two options.
I miss my baby show, I know, God.
Unfortunately, the warrant is due to your
What is it?
decisions.
You got a probation
I
violation.
just got out, sweetheart.
Yeah, I know.
It literally just hit yesterday.
But I just got out, honey. I wasn't supposed to be on paper.
When did you get out?
Paperwork thing, so, I I can please show you the paperwork.
Just wait until we verify everything before you make any calls.
Please, I can just get out.
Should be doing follow-up on this 30.
What was the date you got out?
What was the date I got
Stand
out?
by, I'll try to set up relay.
Yes, I just got out.
Well, did you miss a meeting or something?
No, when are supposed to go back to, I think, January 8th or something.
Does she have a mug with us?
Don't get in trouble with me.
I copy. Do you have a number for him, or are you going to set up the relay?
Right here.
Phone number is 740-652-7911.
Thank you.
She's a 50A.
Hang on,
We're
can
gonna
I please show
see.
my papers? Can I please show my papers?
They called them. It's a valid
I
warrant.
know, but can I please show my
No,
papers?
you have to go.
Please, I'm begging
I told you there's
them.
2 options.
Yeah, it's Officer Milso, Thomas Police, trying to
She has
set up
her
a relay
warrant.
for you.
I don't want to go. I don't go.
What? Well, it's in
you have to
Fairfield
show-
County.
Amanda Blevins.
But I just got out from there.
Well, it's not fine because they wouldn't have said that
We're
otherwise.
coming from the hilltop on the west side of Columbus, so it's like 25 minutes or so.
And then she also tampered and threw meth in the garage, so we're going to decide if we're going to charge her with that too.
Don't worry. Call Randall. Call Randall, Kathy. Call Randall. Call Randall.
We go to the center
Kathy.
first. I'm going to do a full search. I didn't really-
Okay.
She's going to make your phone calls for you.
Please, can I tell her to call, please?
Who do you need her to call?
I need you to call Randall, please.
Call Randall.
I just
It's
got
hers.
out from there, guys.
It'll be a little bit.
Call my phone. Is there a way to get more money from her so I can put it on my book, please? Please, guys. Please. That's the only way that you call me.
Have you been read your rights before? Okay, this is going to be about the dope and the tampering and all of that, okay? I'm going to talk to you first. Before we ask you any questions, you must understand your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions. You have the right to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you're unable to pay a lawyer will be appointed for you prior to any questioning if you so desire. If you wish to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time. You also have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand all of that? Okay. Do you speak English okay? What's the highest grade you've completed? Do you read and write okay? Do you have any hearing problems? Do you wear glasses or contacts? Have you had any alcohol in the last 12 to 24 hours? Have you had any drugs in the last 12 to 24 hours? Okay, what drugs do you take and how much? No fentanyl, no crack? How much meth do you do a day? Okay, I need an amount.
Maybe a 20. 50 grams.
That car's been up there for a while. Yeah.
The reason the officer just now read the woman her constitutional rights is because she is in custody and they intend to interrogate her or question her about the drugs that were located where she was hiding. The officers have the authority to charge her with possession of narcotics as well as tampering with evidence for trying to hide the drugs. It's a common practice for officers to use that criminal charge as a carrot, meaning if the person who is under arrest provides the officers with information that might lead to a larger case, for instance, this criminal charge could possibly go away and the drugs could simply be taken to the property room for destruction.
You acted like you had so much information about in there, and you didn't really give me a whole lot. You just you let on like you had stories to tell.
I mean, I can go into whatever you guys need me to do.
Another interesting thing about this particular video is the woman who was placed under arrest has warrants for an adjacent county. So the process you're seeing now and coming up in just a moment is the extradition process, where officers in one county place the woman under arrest, transport her to the county where she has a warrant, and then a deputy from that county will serve her with the warrant and take her to jail in the appropriate county.
What's up, man? What up? How are you? Measure that. Alright, come on out. Gentlemen, we're going to switch out cuffs. I think she has
Right there in the door for me.
2 on her.
You do what?
Oh, two.
Yeah, it's a little tight.
Just hang out right there, dear.
What's a good phone number for you?
220.
Is that address on Hague still good for you?
Yes.
You want to do it under or just undo it? It doesn't matter to me.
Let's tight them
Or you
out.
want to do? I'll let you stretch for a little bit. I know that gets uncomfortable.
She's been fine.
Want to stretch a little bit?
Alright, Miss Blevins.
Do I have a bottom? Like, I just got out from down there.
I don't have your warrant in hand. I'll pick it up and I'll be able to give you all the info.
I'm going to go